5.22 billion internet users today, and the numbers keep growing. Is this an opportunity for you? The answer is yes. If you ever thought of becoming a trainer, now is the best time because everybody is learning in the virtual platform. Ladies and gentlemen, if you ever have the heart to share your knowledge and experience and your skill, and if you have 10 years of work experience or business experience, you are qualified to become an international certified trainer. However, becoming a trainer is not an easy journey for those who do not know how to do branding, for those who do not know their niche, for those who do not know how to find students, for those who do not clearly know their market. And ladies and gentlemen, there are hundreds of other challenges. And if you like to know how to overcome these common challenges to become a successful trainer, I like to invite you to my 90-minute free webinar. And you will learn 7 most powerful framework how to get started. You see, from 2016 to 2019, my partner Miss On and I, we have been producing 700 certified HRDF trainer in Malaysia. Today, my mission is to help you to become a certified trainer in your own industry, speaking to your own target market or your own audience, and people will pay you because you provide solution in your own context. So if you ever aspire to become a trainer or you want to find out whether this journey is suitable for you, I'd like to invite you. All you need to do is click the link below and I'll be happy and excited to meet you, and together we will discover whether becoming an international trainer is the journey that you want to embark. My name is Jackson Ng and I look forward to meeting you in my seminar. Thank you for watching.